Hello and welcome to our channel, where we share tips and tricks on how to live a healthy lifestyle. If you're looking to lose weight and improve your overall health, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll share 5 weight loss tips that are simple, effective, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is key to weight loss, as it helps your body flush out toxins and reduces cravings. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day and carry a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go. You can also add some flavor to your water with fresh fruit slices, herbs, or lemon juice. Tip number 2. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Adding more fruits and vegetables to your diet can help you lose weight, as they are low in calories and high in fiber. Aim to fill half of your plate with fruits and vegetables at every meal and choose a variety of colors and textures to ensure you get all the nutrients your body needs. Tip number 3. Cut back on processed foods. Processed foods are often high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats and can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Instead, opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods such as whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. When shopping at the grocery store, read the labels carefully and choose products with fewer ingredients and less added sugar and salt. Tip number 4. Get moving. Exercise is crucial for weight loss, as it helps you burn calories and build muscle. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per day, such as brisk walking, cycling, or dancing. You can also incorporate strength training exercises such as push-ups, squats, or lunges to build lean muscle mass and boost your metabolism. Tip number 5. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for weight loss, as it helps your body regulate hormones that control appetite and metabolism. Aim to get 7-9 hours of sleep per night and establish a relaxing bedtime routine such as taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to soothing music. And that's it for our 5 weight loss tips. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and it takes time and effort to achieve your goals. But with these simple tips, you can make progress and improve your health and well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on healthy living. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.